Ford lovers, buckle up. Today, we're spilling the secrets behind one of the most legendary car brands in history. From record-breaking achievements to hidden gems, here are the must-know Ford facts you can't miss. Let's start with a fact that changed the world. Henry Ford's assembly line wasn't just efficient, it revolutionized industries worldwide. Building a car went from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. Fast and affordable, Ford made cars for everyone. Here's a stat you can take to the bank. The Ford F-Series has been America's best-selling truck for over 45 years. That's over 4 decades of dominating the roads. Ford cars are basically celebrities. From Steve McQueen's Mustang and Bullitt to Gone in 60 Seconds, Ford vehicles aren't just cars, they're stars. Ford GT versus Ferrari at Le Mans in 1966. It wasn't just a race, it was an epic showdown. Ford didn't just win. They claimed all 3 top spots, proving American muscle could dominate on a global stage. Did you know Ford uses recycled materials like soybeans and denim in their cars? And with models like the Mustang Mach-E, they're proving eco-friendly can still be exhilarating. Ford isn't just a car brand, it's a movement. If these facts revved up your excitement, hit like, subscribe, and share with your crew. Oh, and drop your favorite Ford fact in the comments. See you in the fast lane.